All right, welcome everyone to a little music challenge we've cooked up for you. In this explainer, we're going to put your musical knowledge to the test. Yeah, think of this like a game show, but for your ears. Are you ready to play?
So, here's the deal. We're going to explore a bunch of different music genres, and you can see how many you already know. You ready? Let's do this.
Okay, so before we dive head first into the music, every good game has rules, right? We just need to cover a couple of key terms to get us all on the same page.
So, first things first. What even is a genre? It sounds kind of fancy, but it's really simple. It's just a way to categorize things, like a type of music, a kind of movie, or a style of book. And today, we're all about the music genres.
And the next word you're going to want to know is acronym. You see these things everywhere, like USA for the United States of America. Trust me, we're going to run into one in just a minute, so keep this definition handy.
Okay, you've got the rules, you know the lingo. It is time for round one, genre spotting. Let's dive into the music and figure out what makes each of these styles so unique.
And kicking things off, we're heading straight to the heart of America with country music. It's a genre with such a rich history and a sound that for a lot of people is instantly recognizable. Let's break it down.
You know, at its core, country music is really all about telling a story. It's got deep roots in the American South. You're almost always going to hear that acoustic guitar leading the way, and of course, that unmistakable vocal style they call twang. It's that special something that just screams country.
All right, our next genre is all about that smooth soul, that undeniable groove. We're talking about R&B. And hey, remember what we said about acronyms? Well, here's our first one. R&B, it actually stands for rhythm and blues. R&B is such a cool mix of different sounds. Think about it. It borrows that smooth, kind of free-flowing vibe from jazz, but then it grounds it with a really strong, steady rhythm that you feel from the drums and the bass. The result is a sound that's got soul, but also makes you want to move, which is probably why it's so incredibly popular today.
Okay, hope you're ready, because we're about to crank the volume way up and dive head first into the world of metal. This is a genre that is all about power and energy.
Now, metal is a huge, huge category. It's not just one thing. I mean, you've got so many different subgenres. You've got things like power metal with these epic, soaring sounds. And then on the other end, you might have something like gothic metal, which is all dark and atmospheric. There's literally a style of metal for just about anyone.
And for our final genre in this round, let's talk about hip-hop. Because this is way more than just music, isn't it? It's a whole cultural movement that honestly changed the game.
So how is hip-hop even made? Well, it's all about pure creativity. It really took off with jazz fans back in the late 80s. You had DJs taking old records, maybe some jazz or funk, and they'd slow them way down to find a cool new groove. Then they'd layer in a heavy bass line, drop some powerful lyrics on top, and boom, a whole new art form was born. It's definitely beat heavy, you know?
All right, so we've explored some incredible music, but now let's switch gears for a tiebreaker round. We're going to look at a couple of phrases you might hear when the stakes are high. Think of it as a little bonus to sharpen your vocab.
First up is a real nail-biter of a phrase, double or nothing. You just know when you hear this, everything is on the line. But what does it actually mean?
Yeah, this one comes right out of the world of betting and gambling. Basically, it's a huge risk. It's your chance to double whatever you've already won, but if you lose this next bet, you walk away with absolutely zero. Nothing. It's the ultimate all-or-nothing play.
And for our last phrase, here's one that'll get your heart pumping. The pressure is on. We've all felt this one, right? That moment when everything just stops and it all comes down to you.
When someone says, the pressure is on, it means the situation just got really, really serious. The whole outcome, whatever it is, depends entirely on what you do next. All that responsibility is sitting right on your shoulders.
And just like that, our little game show comes to an end. But before we wrap up, let's just take a second to think about the deeper power of music. It's so much more than just categories and sounds. It's a really fundamental part of being human.
You know, this quote just says it all perfectly. It really is the one language that pretty much everyone on the planet can understand. It doesn't need translation. It speaks directly to the heart, not just the ears. And that, right there, is why music is so important. It's so much more than just background noise, isn't it? It can literally make you happier. It brings people together who might have nothing else in common. It helps us express feelings when we can't find the words. It can heal sadness, and it helps us celebrate our biggest joys.
So, I'm going to leave you with one final thought to chew on. What story does your favorite music tell? Think about it. What does it say about who you are? Thanks so much for joining me on this little musical journey.